Good morning, guys. I hope you all are doing fine. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning, and I just got over with my Wim Hof method, deep breathing. And I was thinking, why not make a video on sharing the how deep breathing can make a difference or impact your life. Have you ever observed, like, whenever you go to take an injection shot or whenever you go to give blood, they always ask you to take a deep breath. Why is it so? Basically, the idea is when you are doing deep breathing, you tell your body that everything is fine, like all is well. This is a message to your nervous system, to the different organs, and to the different systems in your body that are operating without your knowledge, and they get to know because you are breathing deep. Your body is in the rest and the repair and the recovery mode. The kind of life we have these days, we are always thinking something, we are always kind of stressed about something or the other. It can be a stress of fulfilling some commitment, some deadline, or some kind of challenge which you are facing. So right now we are in that state where we there is more need of investing your time into deep breathing. So how about getting up in the morning, getting free from your morning routine, and then sit in silence and just observe your breath, a long inhalation and even longer exhalation. What that does is your body needs oxygen, your cells need oxygen to release fat for energy. So if you really want to lose weight also, you should do deep breathing, because by doing deep breathing you are making that oxygen available to your cells, from which they can release fat as a source of energy. This is something technical. On a very light note, if you want to understand, when you are taking deep breaths, you feel calm, you feel relaxed, somewhere your mind feels centered, and you have more clarity to function, to observe, to arrive at a decision. Basically, our mind, our body, and different systems and organs in our body are functioning through our nervous system, and it is our duty to keep the nervous system in parasympathetic mode, which is the rest and the repair and the recovery mode. The more and more we are in this mode, the more we are able to function better, the more we are able to digest our food better, the more we are able to sleep better. So if you ask me, what is the number one hack or a tool which you will advise if a person wants to lose weight? So it can be a lot of things coming together, but when you are breathing deep, it allows your body to stay, mind and body to stay in a neutral state. And the beautiful part about it is that what is going on inside, you never know. The deep breathing can influence your system so well that without you having to invest anything except your time into it, you are able to lose weight, you are able to make better decisions in life, you are able to feel better, you are a better person to your people, to your family, to your organization you are working for, to the company you are working for. So I ask you, don't you have 5 minutes to just sit in silence and observe and take breath which is yours? No one has a right or control. You don't have to buy it from anywhere. This is something which belongs to you. Most of the time during our daily routine of the day, what we are doing is shallow breathing. Like while I'm talking to you right now, I don't even know whether I'm breathing or not. That is that shallow breathing, which is available to me without me having to make an effort to use my breath. But when you are doing deep breathing, you're closing your eyes, you are focusing, you are conscious, and when you do that kind of breathing, it has a different kind of impact. So I always like to give this analogy, is that shallow breathing is like a daily ka kharcha pani, and deep breathing is investment in life. The most important thing which deep breathing can help you achieve and do is being able, you will be able to manage your stress well. You cannot have a life which does not have stress. If you are in this life, if you are a social person, if you have work, if you have commitments, you are doing work, then you are bound to have stress. But our power is in how we are able to manage and regulate that stress. So for managing stress, deep breathing is the number one tool, and it is something which does not need you to go and buy something, to order something from Amazon. It is something which is available to you all the time, and most of the time we tend to forget things which are easily available, and we always think the solution of something is in something out of the box, something extraordinary, something in which you need to invest money. But this is something which can I really want to say this, that this can take you places, because if you have a calm mind, if you have a calm body, if you don't react, if you know how to respond well, this comes from deep breathing. And right now I am doing Wim Hof method of deep breathing. It is very very intense, where you are continuously breathing long, and then you hold it for a certain time, and then you release it. It's an advanced, but then when you start doing it gradually, YouTube has a lot of videos, you can go ahead and check it, and it will definitely help in other aspects of your health also, your digestion, how you are digesting your food, how you feel after eating your food. Inflammation markers, in that inflammation is the number one cause of diseases. So you will see when you are breathing deep, your inflammation markers will 100% come down. So I choose to say this with a deep breath, that invest in deep breathing. It will change your life. It is an elixir in which trillions of cells of your body wants to bathe in. Give your body the most inexpensive and the most priceless gift, the power of deep breathing. Yes, and one more important thing here is that learn how to do diaphragmatic breathing. The breathing which, if you see an infant lying sleeping on bed, you will see that when the child breathes, the stomach comes out, and when he exhales, the stomach comes in. With practice and with our faulty breathing thing, we have started doing it ulta. So now you just place your hand on the stomach and just breathe deep, and see that the stomach protrudes out when you are breathing in, and when you breathe out, it contracts. This is the rightful breathing, and this is the way we as kids used to do it, but gradually we all do what it becomes easy for us. So you can Google about it, you can search a lot of stuff which is there online, and you will understand what diaphragmatic breathing is, and the benefits of it also. Please start investing 5-10 minutes in the morning, whenever you feel like you are free from your routine, and then you can sit in silence and just observe your breath. It might be difficult in the beginning. Meditation and pranayam may be something different. Here I am talking about just investing your time in doing deep breathing and long inhalation, long exhalation. It helps your body give new set of oxygen, and helps to take out carbon dioxide. So this will really take your health a long way. If you want to take my word, if you don't have any other time to give invest into anything, please invest in deep breathing. Just begin as small as 5 minutes, and then gradually you can take it up with a long deep breath. Thank you guys.